Back to the next video. So in this series of learning Kubernetes, so today we'll be learning about Scaffold. So Scaffold is used for local development. So suppose if you have a Next.js app or any kind of an app, and if you do some changes, you should be able to see those changes quickly on if you have the Kubernetes setup locally. Okay, and so yeah, let's just get started so I can show you a real life example. So continuing on with our project which we had created, first what you will have to do is you will have to firstly go to scaffold.dev doc/install, and here you can pick whatever depending on what version of OS you are on. You can pick any version. Like if I show you, so suppose I am on Mac OS, so I'm on ARM 64, so I will install something like this command. I think they also have brief install, but I'm not sure that is that proper or not, because they have said, like here they have said something, and then for bleeding edge don't install the bleeding edge, and I'm not sure if this is bleeding edge or not. That's why I decided to install something like this. And similarly you can follow for Windows and Linux as well. Once you do that, what you will have to do is you can just run Scaffold version inside your terminal, and it should give you a proper version. Now we need to create a YAML file for Scaffold as well. So firstly, either you can go to this URL and it will tell you how to create a YAML file for Scaffold, but like I am following a course from Steven Guided, that's why I'm not using the latest one. Not really sure what is the difference between because if you see it is using v4 beta 8 and docker file. No. So what you will have to do next is just go to your root directory and create a file called scaffold.yaml. This file I think was created automatically by Scaffold, so don't need to worry about it. Just create a file called scaffold.yaml, and here you can see I'm using v2 beta 12, so I'm not really sure what is the difference, but yeah, anyways. So here again, like I have just copy pasted it from the docs. Here you will have to deploy, and this is our k8s, that's why I'm referencing it over here. Then here you will have to change to your name, like my docker images brave evidence / multi-next app, then the docker file.dev. So the next app should contain a docker file.dev. Okay, and this like we want to sync every time you change something in the src. So if you see inside next app, there is an src folder, right? So if I change something, anything like a TypeScript file or a CSS file or an HTML file, then it should be automatically available inside my local development server. Similarly, I have done it for Node app as well. So here you can see, like the Node app does not have an src folder, that's why I have directly referenced it as */* or star.js. So yeah, here you can change the extension depending on what app or what programming language you are using. Now what I'll do is I will just go to the page.tsx of my Next.js app, and I will just write hello from Kubernetes. So if you see, now it is showing hello from Scaffold, right? If I try to refresh it, okay, I'm not sure what happened. Okay, oh yeah, sorry, because I'm not running a Scaffold dev. So you will have to run Scaffold dev inside your terminal, and it will automatically create pods for like all those images and pods for you. And once you decide to like quit Scaffold dev, it automatically deletes those pods as well, so which is kind of nice. So if I try to refresh it again, hopefully, yeah, it's still loading. So here you can see hello from Kubernetes. Now if I change something like hello from Scaffold, and if I just refresh it, here you can see hello from Scaffold. Like this error is because I'm trying to access that Node.js API which I have created. It, I'm not sure what's going wrong, it's still not able to access that Node.js API. But anyways, at least this is working. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.